Okay, so welcome to this training. Today I'm going to explain how to set up the Google Search Console so that you can collect information about how your content actually ranks. So the first thing you need to do is go to search.google.com. Now it's important to make sure that you are on the Google Search Console because Google actually has a Google console. So the name is very similar, but it's a completely different tool. So you want to make sure that at the top over here, it says Search Console. So the first thing you're going to do is click Start Now. Now, when you click into your interface, you're not going to see what I see now. I already have a few sites of my clients, so you don't want to, you're going to see something a little bit clearer than this. It will tell you to set up your first property, and you will just need to click Add Property. Your URL, so the address of your website, is called Property. So you put in your address over here. If it has an HTTPS, you do that. In my case, I'm going to show you this on an old domain. So let's take a look at this. So the first thing you do is it's important that you put it on this box on this side. Here, it's a different kind of setting and it's a different authentication to what I'm going to show you today. So it's important that it goes in the URL prefix box. And here underneath, it tells you allows multiple verification methods. So I'm going to click continue. It tries to verify the property and it should not find the verification file and therefore pop up another box for me with the details. Here you go. So it's telling me that it didn't, it's not correct. It has multiple methods down here. However, I'm going to use the main one at the top. What this involves is downloading a small HTML file, which is this one. So I click download and it's going to start downloading it. And then I need to upload it to my website and then click verify after that. So you upload it to your website by going to your control panel. Usually you would access your control panel by logging into your hosting account and finding what is called the file manager. So in my case, this domain is hosted in an unusual place. Actually, this is not the main host I use, but it's okay nonetheless. So what I do, I go either on the control panel. In this case, I'm in the dashboard. So you want to go where the file manager is. Usually it's quite easy to find. They also have a search box at the top in your panel, so you can find your file manager quite easily. A file manager, so the file manager in your hosting control panel, is usually going to help you upload and download files. So the main folder that you're going to see when you click on your file manager is going to be the public HTML. The public HTML is the default folder where websites are held. When you click on it, especially if you have a WordPress site, you're going to see these files, these WP files, and you're going to see these folders: WP admin, WP content, WP includes. When you see this, you know that you're in the right folder. You're in the public HTML folder. You're in the right place. Now, when you're here, you need to go and get that file. So in this case, I'm going to click upload right over here. It says upload. And I'm going to upload my file from my downloads. So let's see if I go to downloads, I have the file over here and I'm just going to upload it. So the file I uploaded was the one that I downloaded just in the step before from the Search Console. So all I did was upload it and it shows over here. So all it is just a file that has your Google console number on it. Then, so in order to verify, I can now go back to my Search Console and I can click verify. And what the Search Console is going to do, it's actually going to try and find, okay, so it actually found the file and it has verified me and it has now set up the property. Now, This has no data. It doesn't look like the one you saw before. The reason why it doesn't have data is because that actually takes time. So it's going to take you between 2 and 6 days to actually start seeing data here. And then you will start seeing your performance clicks and things like that. So just to give you a quick summary, let's bounce back to the site where we were before. Yep. So what you're going to see when you go to your performance, you're going to see, this looks like the wrong one actually. I do have one with more data. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's the second one. Okay, so what you see is you want to go to check if it's, gathering data. You want to go to the performance tab and you want to see that it has your clicks and your impressions. So what it basically shows you is what you're ranking for. So these are the keywords you're ranking for. These are the pages that are ranking. And these are the amount of clicks you're getting from Google. In this case, the default is 3 months, but it can be changed to 28 days or 7 days. And it goes from there. Okay, so that was it. I hope you managed to set yours up quickly, and if you don't, feel free to pop any questions under this video.